Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook. Ital Cornmeal Porridge. Get 3/4 cups cornmeal. Coconut. You could use a 50-gram pack coconut milk powder instead. 10-inch between 1 foot fresh cane. Optional. Water. Use the coconut water instead. 2 cinnamon leaves or pinch cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon grounded nutmeg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If you could get fresh vanilla, that would be best. Mace. Optional. Honey or raisins. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Peel cane and then use a sharp knife to cut cane pieces. Cane pieces. The cane is optional. If you could purchase cane juice, mix that with the water instead. You could use the coconut water instead. Before using the coconut water, ensure it's not sour. Pour 1½ cup water into the blender and then put cane pieces in the water. If the blender is not spinning freely, add some water in it. Blend the cane pieces with the water for a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Pour this cane water mixture through a strainer into a container. Use your hand. Squeeze out the cane juice in the water. Put this aside, go to the next step. Put a saucepan or stew pot on the stove. Pour the cane water into the saucepan. Pour the cornmeal in the cane water. Use a spoon, stir in. Note, you could just use water because the flavor of the cane juice is not going to be that much different than if you had used water. You could use the coconut water instead. Turn the stove's flame gauge on simmering, which I called very low. Use a spoon, stir in. Use the pan's lid, cover it, allow simmering. This is the stove's flame on simmering. And this is the gauge on simmering. Break the coconut get a blender ready. Use a knife to cut 2 inches coconut pieces. Pour 2 cups of water into the blender and then put coconut pieces in the water. Allow the coconut pieces to blend in the water for between 3 minutes. After that, pour coconut mixture through a strainer into a container. Squeeze out the coconut milk in the water. Put this coconut milk aside, go to the next step. After 15 minutes, use a cooking spoon, stir in and then cover it. The stove's gauge is still on simmering, allow. After 5 minutes more, totaling 20 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon, stir in. Pour the coconut milk in the saucepan. Add cleaned, washed cinnamon leaves. You could use half teaspoon cinnamon powder instead. Grind 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg in the water. Wash the mace under fresh running water and then add it. Measure and add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. Use the pan's lid, cover it, allow simmering. After 15 minutes, use a cooking spoon, stir in properly. Use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is on simmering, allow. After 15 minutes more, totaling 30 minutes, use a cooking spoon. Stir in right around the stew pot / saucepan. This looks thick enough. You could stop now, but I'm allow it to stay for a few more minutes. Use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is on simmering, allow. After 5 minutes more, totaling 35 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon, stir in. Rub the back of the spoon on the pot's bottom. Stir the corners right around the stew pot. Feel how the porridge is thickening. Turn off the stove. This Ital Cornmeal Porridge is thickening just right. It's finished. Use a pan's lid. Cover it until serving. Pour some of this Ital Cornmeal Porridge into a bowl. If you would like your Ital Cornmeal Porridge to have a little sweetness, after serving, sprinkle a few drops of raisins on top. This is Ital Cornmeal Porridge. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. You should subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone. Try cooking this Ital Cornmeal Porridge yourself. When you do, share your experience with us. This is Ital Cornmeal Porridge. Rastafarian Vegetarian Dinners Cookbook 2. The tiny amount of cane juice that we added in this porridge is not gonna add any type of sweetness to this porridge that you will notice. On the other hand, the sweetness is there. Each scoop of porridge, you take up 1 raisin with it and then drink it. I hope that makes sense. You understand what I'm saying? I say it in a pattern. So when you take up 1 scoop of porridge, make sure 1 raisin dip on the spoon. Then you drink 1 spoon of porridge with 1 raisin in the spoon. The alternative is to use honey. After serving, pour some honey on top. Do not mix it in the porridge, just pour it on top. Each time you take up a spoon of porridge, some honey is on it, and then you drink it. Trust me, you will enjoy it. It's gonna taste like sugar is in it. Nevertheless, if you mix the honey in the porridge, you're not gonna taste the honey. The same with the raisin. If you decide to blend the raisin with the cane juice, you're not gonna taste the sweetness of the raisin. The flavor of this Ital Cornmeal Porridge is one to get used to. Sugar is a taste that most of us are accustomed to. The flavor of this Ital porridge tastes just like porridge, it's just that it is not sweet. It's a flavor to get accustomed to. Once you tried it one time, the second time and every other time after that, you will actually taste the sweetness in it. But it's not a sweetness that will stand out like sugar. Initially, if you drink it for the first time, you're gonna say it's fresh. But if you drink it a second time and every time after that, you will love it. And remember now, raisin and the honey is optional. To me, the porridge tastes good without it. If you're keen to detail, you would notice this Ital Cornmeal Porridge has its own flavor of sweetness. Adding the raisins at the end made this Ital Cornmeal Porridge sweet. Remember, you could use honey instead. Try making this porridge yourself. You will be surprised. This porridge has a clean, nice, fresh flavor. This Ital Cornmeal Porridge is really nice without sugar. Until next time, me gone.